Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Mac not detecting external microphone. So if you have connected an external microphone to your Mac, but it does not appear in the list of input devices, your Mac may not have recognized the connection yet. This can happen with USB microphone, Bluetooth microphone, wired headset, or audio interfaces. In most cases, the issue can be fixed by reconnecting the microphone and checking your Mac sound settings. So if you are experiencing this problem, first click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now click on Sound from the left side pane and under Input Devices, see whether your external microphone appear in the list. If it does not appear, disconnect the external microphone from your Mac, and if it's USB microphone, unplug it and plug it back in. If it's a Bluetooth microphone, disconnect it and reconnect it again from the Bluetooth settings. And when it does appear, click on the microphone from the list and then speak into the microphone and watch input level meter to confirm that microphone is receiving the audio. And if your microphone still does not detect, restart your Mac with the microphone connected and check the input section again. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.